you're here for the security tour, right? Follow me. Yes, sir. I've been in security now for 25 years, and it all comes down to the big 3 rules. Know the threat, follow procedures, stay alert. You got that? Yep, you stick to the big 3 and nothing, I mean nothing, can slip by you. No. Oh, sorry. Say, I appreciate you conserving electricity, son, but you're gonna ruin your eyes working in the dark like that. Tree huggers. People think security is mostly just common sense, you know, keeping an eye out for the obvious, avoiding careless mistakes. Somebody lose something? False alarm. Everybody back to work. Move along, people. Nothing to see here. All of this common sense and careless mistake stuff is for amateurs. Security professionals have to look past the obvious at the most subtle details. Hey, wait a minute. Who took this down? I just posted this memo a half hour ago. After years of training, my senses are fine-tuned to detect even the most innocent-looking signs of potential security problems. Dilbert cartoons, for example. Pardon me. I hope those aren't personal copies you're making. That's good. Can't use government assets for personal business. And we need to conserve paper. Oh, that's a paper jam. I can fix that for you. Wonder where this came from. Well, at least it's not ticking. Oh, but now it's leaking. Tom, give me some paper towels, will you please? Jeez. No wonder she can't remember her passwords. Too complicated. I use the same password for everything. Big dog. Same as on my license plate. Did I lock my file cabinet when I left my office? Did you notice if my file cabinet was open? Oh, well. Evacuation drills are the only time I get a moment's peace. Out here, I can relax, secure in the knowledge that the bad guys wouldn't dare show themselves in broad daylight. Not this close to the den of the big dog. Whoa there, little lady. Where'd you learn your manners?
Where's the president's office?
You mean the director?
The director, yes. These are for him.
Those pizzas are for the director?
Yes.
Do you have any identification?
No.
Last door on the left. Can never be too careful. Oh, here, let me get the door for you. Heading down to the dumpsters, huh? You know, a lot of security worries disappear when you know you can trust the people you work around. That's why our security clearance process is so darn thorough. Hey, Melvin, how's your SF-86 coming along?
307 pages of attachments, and I'm only on question 4.
Well, hang in there. It'll all be worth it. So, has Jennifer's clearance come through yet?
No, she's still waiting.
Perseverance. I admire that.
Why do they need to know if I had more than 3 days of detention in the 3rd grade?
3rd grade? Seems to me like you just might be filling out the wrong form. You sure that's not an 85P? It's the subtle details that'll get you every time. Well, that's the nickel tour. Hope you learned something. Not all that hard, really. Know the threat, follow procedures, stay alert. Thanks for stopping by. Doggone it, I did leave that open. Now, where could those documents have gotten?
Hi, I'm Becky Allen, Director of Security for DCMA. The video you just watched, while presented in a humorous fashion, is a serious subject. We wanted to convey a security message in a different light, and hopefully you enjoyed it. However, as you saw, security is only as strong as its weakest link. It's important to understand that security within DCMA encompasses several disciplines to create a layered and effective program. As you saw, it's not just anti-terrorism that we must focus on. There are several security areas which require our constant vigilance. For example, the personnel security program, while sometimes a long process as demonstrated in the video, is an integral part of ensuring that personnel who have access to DCMA facilities and information are held to the highest standards of personal conduct and reliability. Our information security program is designed to protect classified information held and processed within DCMA. Additionally, as we become ever more dependent on our computer systems, the vulnerability of these systems has become more prevalent. As you can see, it takes a combined effort on the part of all DCMA personnel to stay involved and aware. It is the actions of the individual employee that make a difference in ensuring security for the agency. Individual actions include simple measures such as ensuring that your safe is closed when not in use, reporting suspicious packages, and following the proper procedures when evacuating during drills. Our day-to-day security practices are what make a difference when it really counts. In closing, I ask that everyone stay alert, aware, vigilant, and continue to make DCMA a hard target. Thank you for watching.